M1, which is a forked arm mixer, can be used for mixing pasta or bread products. Mixed dough then goes into the Torresani sheeter. This is a sheeter kneader, which then extrudes a continuous sheet of pasta, which then is fed into this cutter, calibrator and cutter. Then cut strips come out the end of this machine and collected on rods.
Yep,
this
cool.
is a small roller sheeter. Dough is mixed in the top hopper. It is then released into the calibrator and sheeter to give you a continuous sheet on a roll.
Cool. Rough.
This is a mixer which at the completion of its mixing process can be tilted forward to dispense the dough.
Away.
This is a kneader sheeter, so the mixed dough into the hopper, it is then kneaded in the central part, then a final calibration to give you a continuous roll, collected on a rolling pin at the end of this conveyor.
Away. 7. And you're off.
Machine M7, which is a 4-punch tortellini machine to make the traditional shaped tortellini. This is another tortellini machine, again 4-punch, which gives you a traditional tortellini.
The one beside it. Away.
This is a traditional ravioli style machine. It's set up at the moment for 5-punch raviolini, but can also do other shapes depending on the dies applied.
Yep.
This is a 4-punch traditional pinched style ravioli machine, which can be utilised for other shapes, again depending on the dies applied.
Okay, you're on.
This is a twin sheet style ravioli machine, which is different from a punch style ravioli machine and can be used for different shapes that we have available.
Oh.
This is a pre-dryer for frozen filled pasta such as ravioli and tortellini.
To the drawing bench.
Manually, then goes in. Then the bag is fed into this horizontal sealer. Metal detector.
Yeah. So this is metal detector. Go.
This is the vertical. Sorry, this is the horizontal Fuji flow wrapper.
Wrapper up. There. So you have people standing up there putting pasta in the in there.
And the pasta is dispensed into these slots. The slots move forward and is timed with the packaging.
Yeah. Cool. And then into the dump bin, which then gets cooked in the boxes. Cool. So, cool. Shoot. Hobart.
This is a Hobart mincer, grinder and mixer.
grinder. Comes with all the different armors, tools, and pressure plates. Big steam kettle. Steam kettle. The 800 litre capacity, isn't it? 800 litres. Mixing arbor. Boiler. Boiler unit. LPG. Kitchenette. Frat pan. Mixers. Little Hobart
food processor, slices, dices,
and all the other parts for the Hobart processor here, and up on the racks up here. We've got pizza line. There. It mixes the dough. Does it
mixes here.
Oh, so the dough gets mixed. Dual bowl. Mixer, 2 bowls. Pizza. We'll go through here. Pizza roller. Comes with different dies. Over here. All the different dies and die racks there. And rolls in the dough. And it does 6,000 bases in a day. The hopper, dough hopper, the rollers for the pizza line. Yeah, good. Back around that way. It's the return dough line. Gas conveyor oven. M3, and it is the Midley Marshall brand. The sauce canopy above.
34 is a gnocchi machine, so the hopper on top contains the potato dough, potato mixture, which is the machine forms the gnocchi and dispenses individual gnocchis.
Hard cheese grater.
Hard cheese grater.
That's a grater. Okay, you're on.
This is the hopper for the flour, semolina, whichever you choose to use, which then gets fed automatically into the ribbon mixer. This is the refrigerated hopper for the egg content, which again gets fed automatically into the ribbon mixer. Water's already plumbed in, as well as power obviously available. The mixed dough then gets dispensed into this hopper. This is a kneader sheeter. So from this you have a continuous dough sheet coming out to this final calibrator and cutter. Rods are fed in automatically to the rear of the machine. Pasta is collected in the central area and then passes through the pre-drying stage.
Dryer.
Rods containing the pasta then accumulate at the end of this machine and are then manually placed on the drying racks. This is a continuous mixer sheeter. This is done by an extrusion method, which then gets fed into the continuous bath, cooking bath.
Cooking bath. There you go.
Cooked pasta then is air blown, air dried, surface dried. You can add a oil at this stage to ensure non-stick. Then at this stage we have the cannelloni filler. The cut sheets then, the cutter is set up at this station. Cut sheets then come along this conveyor, have a portion of cannelloni filling laid on top, and at this station the cannelloni is curled and enclosed and continuously fed. This stage is the cutter, so you can choose the length of cannelloni you wish to cut.
I like it. Okay. Yep.
This is the dispensing station for the cannelloni filling.
Cool.
That one there. If you want to get from this other side, maybe.
Yeah. Well, that's
The lasagna cut from this other side. You can see the trays. This is the lasagna cutter, which is pneumatically driven. Maybe you stand this way and I'll stand no, that's all right. These are a series of smaller drying rooms, each electrically, mechanically driven.
Cool.
This is one of 3 fully automatic electronic drying rooms that have heat and control as well as ventilation automatically programmed.
Step up here and we've got 3 rooms. That's the control box. So that's the control box. Scales are on tape now.
Yeah.
And benches and bits. Pan. Sexy models. There you go. You're in it.